Finally back in SM.
Yeah.
That's a Filipino Santa. That's our traditional farming hat, and that's barong.
This is insane.
It is.
Insanely beautiful.
Paskong Pinoy. Pasko is Christmas.
Oh, I love this.
Now we're heading to the restaurant.
This is definitely the biggest IKEA I've ever been in. And I've been in a lot of IKEAs all over the Middle East. Right, Lance?
Yeah.
This thing just goes on and on and on. So I don't know if this is the biggest IKEA in the world or...
It is, I guess.
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Well,
But
I've heard that it is, but I'm not sure.
we're gonna look for the food court, the Swedish bistro as they call it. Because we want to try some Swedish meatballs and some other stuff.
So we're lost. We're looking for the restaurant, but yeah, we're here just in the second floor. Maybe it's on the third floor. And we're now heading to the third floor. Swedish restaurant.
Level 4. Okay, we go up.
All right. Wow, we're already in the fourth floor. Showroom. Swedish restaurant there.
You know what I love about IKEA? Is the fact that you can just walk in here and pretend that you're crashing somebody's apartment. I can just stay here. Okay, bye. What are you doing in my living room?
Seems like you're enjoying your seat there.
Thank you very much. Welcome to my terrace garden. Fancy some tea? Let's go eat food.
Yeah.
How is this for condominium living?
Oh, love it.
I like it. Yeah. We have a nice view of the city. Nice leather couch. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stay here for the rest of the day.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is nice indeed. I totally get what you're talking about. Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Let's see where the food is.
Their dining hall is a hall, like literally.
It's nice.
Yeah.
The food smells amazing.
Mmm. I can smell it. A Swedish meatball pasta po. Tsaka po potato fries.
Potato fries now, pasta now.
Potato fries. They have also different kinds of desserts.
Okay, this looks good. This is a mukbang because this is a lot of food for 2 people.
Let's look for a seat. Well, there's lots of seats.
Cheers. Salad first.
Salad first. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu. Let's try the loaded fries.
How is it?
Very good. Now I'm gonna try this famous IKEA Swedish meatballs.
Yeah, 7.
I like this. Spaghetti meatball. Spaghetti meatball mukbang.
Tasting everything.
Very good. So far, we're not even halfway through, but the food is yummy.
Let's try the toasted shoppa while we have it.
I'll use my hand. Oh my god.
Wow.
This tastes like South African fat cook.
Oh, it does, huh?
For the South Africans, this tastes like fat cook. You will know what I'm talking about.
Oh my god.
What a nice filling.
It has a donut texture in it.
Yeah.
Swedish meatballs are really good.